Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Sweetie Sisters Multi-Talented YouTube channel. So, in this video, we will learn the recipe of poha cutlets, which we can make at home very easily, simply healthy cutlets, and we can eat these cutlets in the breakfast and as a snacks also. So yeah, without further late, we start our video. So here for poha cutlets, we are taking 1 cup poha means 250 grams of poha. Add some water and wash it nicely so that if it has any dust, it will rush it out. And pour the water out. So once we wash the poha, then add some water and again wash it nicely. So like this we should wash poha 2 times. Poha means what? Atukulu in Telugu, okay? After washing 2 times, keep that poha aside and sprinkle some water on the top for 5 minutes so that this poha may soak first softly. And don't add much water but sprinkle some few drops of water. After that, take a bowl and add 200 grams of wheat rava and wash it once. And we can call this rava also Bombay rava, okay? And add some water, wash it out and pour that water out. So yeah, again add some water and now wash again. So like this we are washing poha 2 times and this rava 2 times. Okay. Now we washed both poha and Bombay rava or wheat rava. Okay. Now keep these 2 balls aside. After few minutes later, once take that rava and just smash it. Don't add any water. Already we washed it 2 times. No, some water will be left over in that, so the rava will be wet. So like that only mashed rava and poha also. Don't use mixie jar or grinder to smash this. Just slightly mash this poha with hands only. And don't make like a paste. Just crush your poha, it should look like this. Very nice, no? So after that, smashing both rava and poha, add this poha into that rava. These both combination will be superb tasty. It gives rava taste like very crispiness after cooked and this poha taste very soft while eating. So these both combination were superb for as breakfast and snacks also. So it just become like an paste and mix well both. And don't add any water to that. Its consistency should be like very thick so that we can make balls and just we can do it cutlets, okay? And in that add 2 onions which were chopped and 2 chilies chopped and 2 spoons of chopped curry leaves, 1 spoon salt and 1 spoon turmeric powder. So after adding these ingredients, once mix well so that all ingredients will be mixed. Make sure that chili powder or turmeric powder, whatever we add the ingredients, all should be mixed well with the poha and the rava. If you want, we can add chili powder also, but here I am adding chilies, no, so no need to add. If you want, you can add. So don't add any water, make mixture like that only, very thick dough should be like this. So after mixing like this, our dough was prepared for our cutlets. Now take a pan and add some oil and grill the pan with oil. Now take a small ball size dough and make sure that the dough should come like in a circle, and press it once. It should be, the shape should be like this. If you want, you can make your favorite shape, but the cutlet shape should be like this only. If you want oil, then add it, otherwise no need to add any oil. You just dry roast the poha cutlets. Okay, by adding oil also it gives very good taste. Or if you are in weight loss, okay, in diet, you can use like olive oil and sesame oil for your health. It's very beneficial. And like this, add in a pan 2 to 3 poha cutlets. So maybe you know like this how to make the shape. If you don't know, again skip back and once see this again. So the shape of the cutlet should be like this. Now in a pan I add 3 cutlets and make sure that the both sides should be fried well. So one side the cutlet was fried. So now I am turning the cutlets in the other side. The cutlet's color should be like this, light golden color. It was looking very beautiful and very yummy cutlets, no? Now dish out the cutlets out which was fried both sides. And the other mixture of the dough also you can continue like this. The same process, like take some dough part from that and make a ball shape and just press it in your palm. It should be like a circle shape and add to the pan which was grilled with oil. Like this, add 2 to 3 cutlets to the pan so that it will fry well in the both sides. So like this, you should continue the process of these cutlets. I hope you are enjoying this video, right? Is you ever made these cutlets before? If yes or no, please comment in the comment section. So like this, we should fry our cutlets on the both sides and make sure that you should add the ingredients carefully and like this fry both sides. So yeah, after garnishing our cutlets in a plate, serving out, it were very yummy cutlets to see and to eat also. And these cutlets were served in a plate which was served as with tomato ketchup, green chili sauce, whatever you want, your favorite. If you want, just make it out now with seeing this video. They were very simple, very easy with few ingredients and very healthy also. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get all notifications. And like this video, share this video with your friends and family members and comment this video, try this video, how it video was. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.